Hi everyone, welcome to my channel once again. This is Juliana. I welcome you to my channel. If you're joining me for the very first time, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. I want you to keep coming back because I'll keep making something interesting food, interesting meal, giving you new and tasty recipes. So today I'm making egg and veggies and we'll bake it in the microwave. So here I'm cutting my green pepper. I'm trying to cut it up into pieces so it could be small, and I don't want it chunky. I just want it cut into tiny pieces. Right now I'm cutting my broccoli into pieces as well, trying to make it little and small. I don't want it chunky. I don't want it too big. I want it very, very tiny. So that's what I'm doing here right now. Still cutting the broccoli. So I'm using half onions to do this to prepare this this meal, this recipe. So I don't want to use whole onions. Depending on the quantity you're making, a whole onions is probably going to be too big for this my recipe. So that's why I'm cutting the onions into two, and I'm going to be using half of the onions to prepare this recipe. So guys, once again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I want you to subscribe to my channel. I would like you to hit the notification button so that whenever I upload any video, you will definitely be the first person to receive notification about the video. And if you haven't join our community, I want you to join our community. We have a community, a wonderful community where we communicate, we share recipe, we share ideas. I want you to join the community of my cooking channel, and you definitely enjoy our company. So right now I'm cracking the egg into the bowl. We're gonna be using three eggs to make this wonderful egg veggies. So I just added my complete seasoning, So I'm adding in the salt. All right, so I'm whisking the egg. So I'm adding my mayonnaise to the whisked egg. Just like half tablespoon of mayonnaise is what I just put in there. Then I whisked everything together. So at this point, I'm adding the entire ingredients, the veggies, the chopped onions, the chopped pepper, and the broccoli, and I'm gonna whisk everything together. So here I'm putting the already mixed egg and veggies into the baking pan or baking cup that has the wrap I cut out in. So I'm gonna be baking this in the oven for just 15 minutes. With the heat of about 350-degree temperature. All right, so our baked egg veggies is ready, and you could see me scooping it out of the cup. This tastes delicious. I want you to try this at home. You'll definitely enjoy it, and you can use this to eat bread if you want to. You can use it to eat bagel. If you want to eat it just like that, you could eat it just like that. So at this point, guys, thank you for tuning in to my channel. I welcome you, and I hope to see you next time. I love you guys. Remember to subscribe, remember to hit the notification button, remember to give this channel a thumbs up, and share this video to as many people as you could. All right, till we'll see next time. Enjoy your egg veggies.